up, y'all? My name is Jody. This is my first appearance on the JRB official channel. Stomach just growled. So like, I guess I'm gonna be doing like little snippets of my days, you know, a little vlog. I currently have school right now. It's Friday. I have one class. I'm supposed to have two. One of them is canceled this week. Thank God, because it's like at 7 p.m. But I just have one like at 10 a.m. right now. And it's like my math discussion class. But I don't know, I'm kind of chilling. What's up? I'm in the car now. It's currently 9:07. I like being a little early, I guess. Never want to be late. You just don't.
Good advice, Jody.
Alright, I changed the camera. I have this little thing. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Hopefully I don't crash while driving. I'm doing the old Roman, putting you guys on the dashboard. These are the slowest drivers I've ever seen in my life. Gotta wait for the trash guy. Mad respect to them, picking up trash every week. But I'm not gonna make that light. Where am I? Yo! I just made that light. Oh! I didn't really run the red. Yeah, I'll chill with friends, try to drive around, hopefully make the video more interesting than me just fucking, I'll try to pump out some good content today. I'll try to do that for every vlog. I don't want to make it like a boring day in the life type shit.
That's exactly what Jody did.
I gotta stop cursing. This is gonna be terrible to edit. I'm just making it worse for me. You guys won't even notice the difference, but this is gonna suck. I don't remember a single moment where I hit this green light, and it's kind of annoying. Yo, it smells loud, bro. Someone's smoking up. Yo, this song, low-key, kind of a banger, though. Post Malone is probably, like, my favorite artist. I'm not gonna lie. Fun fact. University of Nevada, Las Vegas. So I'm currently at school now.
A snake's eyes aren't very good, but they can detect movement.
Shawty wasn't bad. I can't complain about that. She just walked right by me. Sorry. What was I saying? So this is the school I go to. UNLV. It's a nice campus. We get some decent weather when it's not like super hot and super cold, which I guess is everywhere, so never mind. Yo, so low-key, I gotta find my class because I have no idea where I am right now. I'm in the right building, I think. What's up? Just got out of my math class. We got let out early. It was just kind of went over the first couple units we did this week in lecture. I'm gonna head home probably, or grab something to eat. Alright, we are back in the car. Bro, these baddies gotta stop walking past me. I'm not 100% exactly sure what I'm gonna do right now. There is Dutch Bros down the road, and I could get some caffeine. But those people are weird as f***, so I don't know if I want to interact with them right now. But we'll see. Hopefully, I'll probably go to Dutch Bros, actually. I'll do it for the content, for the views. I am currently at Dutch Bros. So story time, I guess. I should be recording that, honestly, but I put the camera off, bro, at the wrong time. Like, literally right after that last clip, like, this cute-ass girl, like, takes my order. So I'm like, okay. And then she's like, hey, how are you doing? We have, like, a good conversation. We're talking about school because she's a freshman at UNLV also. She gave me, like, a discount and too. So I'm like, I don't even know. It was... Damn, I should have been filming that, bro. I didn't even catch her name, bro. She was cute. I'm gonna have to go back. What's today? Friday? Friday mornings. I'm gonna go back for her. I got my drink. It's an iced caramelizer. It's pretty good. It's caramel, a little coffee, probably like chocolate milk in it. I don't even know. It's pretty good though. Alright, I'm gonna go. That's all I had to tell you. I literally parked just to tell you this story, so please. Alright. So after school, I kind of chilled at home for a bit. Looked over all the clips I had from earlier. But now I'm gonna head over to practice some golf. Yeah, I golf. I just gotta practice. Like it's a weird sport. Sometimes I hate it, sometimes I love it. That type of thing. Yeah, I don't know if I'll film the practice or not. I'm pretty focused or just kind of playing with my friends. I don't go on my phone too much, but maybe I'll have a couple clips, a couple swings you guys can look at. I don't know, I'll probably film a lot more after. I'm gonna eat dinner with family and then probably hang out with Brian. I don't know if I already said that or not, but yeah, I'll probably hang out with Brian or some other friend probably. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, as you can see, it's dark now. I'm done practicing golf. I just got off. Now I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go eat dinner with the fam at Fleming Steakhouse. I think that's a pretty nice place. We eat some grub there. I'm gonna turn on the light. Yeah, and then I'll probably do something after that, and I'll keep you guys posted. But Jesus. All right, I just got done with my dinner with my family at Fleming Steakhouse. It was actually pretty good. I had a good New York strip, some mac and cheese. I'm actually gonna go meet up Brian at this outlet mall. I think he's at the Apple store for some reason. Not too sure, but all right. Jody made it to downtown Summerlin, aka the outlet mall. My next quest is to find the Apple store because that's where Be Nasty is. I kind of forgot how to get there, so that might be a difficult quest. I have no idea where I am right now. I think I spotted it. Brian, I am on my way. What's up, guys? I found Brian. We're not in the Apple store, as you can see. Yeah, he got goofed, so we have to go to Town Square, which is like the other outlet mall in Vegas, I guess. But hopefully he kind of took an L, to be honest.
Let's not talk about it.
Cups of the rose.
It's for another time. But
it's for another time. We'll talk.
It's L's all day. L's all day.
So we'll see if we can catch a dub at Town Square. Maybe dick around. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.
Catch you there.
All right, I made it to Town Square. I gotta find Brian in the Apple store again, so the quest has continued. I'm actually more lost on this little mall, so this will be probably a longer quest. What is up? I have found Brian again.
What's up? You got the phone case.
Yeah, we finessed the phone case, kind of. Well, I don't know what he did, but yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so now that we got worked out, we have nothing planned at all, so I don't know. What do you want to do, bro?
Let's go to Sephora.
Sephora?
We're gonna go to Sephora. We're gonna try on random shit over there.
All right, I'm down, I guess. Hopefully there's some baddies there or something. All right, Sephora was a bust. No baddies, unfortunately. Then we went to Yogurtland, but I'm kind of freezing now, actually. So, I don't know. It tasted good, but I'm kind of cold. So, now we're just kind of heading back to the car. Not sure what Brian's doing though. What you up to?
Just tweaking, you know me.
Tweaking. Brian needs to upload some of some content as well. But we're getting there. We're gonna be committed this year. Honestly, this might be a wrap for the vlog. I don't know what I'm doing after this. Probably nothing, to be honest. So I don't know. This could be goodbye until my next vlog, which is God knows when. I'm gonna say next week, but who knows what happens. Bye.